Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you 10 awesome new hand tools that just dropped on Amazon. All links are in the description. Let's jump straight in. Number 1, WorkPro Mini Pliers Wrench. This little 4-inch WorkPro Mini Pliers wrench is incredibly handy. It gives you strong gripping power in a super compact size, making it perfect for tight spaces where bigger tools just won't fit. The smooth parallel jaws grip flat surfaces firmly without scratching or damaging chrome, finished parts, or delicate components. You can adjust it quickly to fit different nuts and bolts, so it easily replaces multiple wrenches and saves space in your toolbox. It's made from tough heat-treated alloy steel with anti-rust coating, so it feels solid and lasts a long time. Great for everyday use in plumbing, automotive work, bike maintenance, electronics repair, home DIY projects, and on-the-go fixes. Super lightweight and perfect to carry every day as your EDC tool. Number 2, Kubist Red Offset Extension Wrench. This Kubist Red Offset Extension Wrench is a real game changer for tight spaces. It lets you turn nuts and bolts with almost zero swing arc, which means you can work in spots where regular wrenches and ratchets cannot even fit. The flathead design gives you easy access in very confined areas. It is chain-driven with a 1-to-1 gear ratio, so the power transfer feels smooth and strong. You can use it with impact wrenches, and it handles up to 75 Newton meters of torque. It comes with 3 different adapters, 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch square drive, plus a 1/4 inch bit adapter. This makes it compatible with almost all your existing ratchets and sockets. Made from high-carbon steel, this tool is tough, reliable, and built to last. It saves you so much time and effort on car repairs, motorcycle maintenance, machinery work, and any job with hard-to-reach fasteners. Number 3, Flexible Socket Extension 1/2 inch. This flexible socket extension 1/2 inch shaft is incredibly useful when you need to reach bolts in tight or awkward spaces. It bends and flexes easily so you can work around corners and in hard-to-reach areas where straight extensions just cannot go. It gives you extra length and reach for deep engine work, confined spaces, and tricky repair jobs. The 1/2 inch square drive with anti-fall steel balls keeps your socket securely locked in place while you work. You can use it with manual ratchets, electric wrenches, impact tools, and pneumatic wrenches. Made from strong, high-carbon steel, it is durable, corrosion-resistant, and built for daily use. Available in 2 lengths, 250 millimeters and 350 millimeters. It is compact, lightweight, and easy to carry in your tool bag. Perfect for automotive repairs, machinery maintenance, home projects, and professional workshop tasks. Number 4, WorkPro 2-piece 12-in-1 Universal Adjustable Wrench Set. This WorkPro 2-piece 12-in-1 Universal Adjustable Wrench Set is one of the smartest tools you can own. It completely replaces a whole drawer full of wrenches. One wrench covers 12 metric sizes from 8 to 19 millimeters, and the other covers 12 SAE sizes from 5/16 inch up to 3/4 inch. You just press the colored button, rotate the head to the size you need, and release to lock it securely. The markings are clear and easy to read, so you can switch sizes in seconds. Made from strong, heat-treated chrome molybdenum steel with excellent rust protection, these wrenches feel solid and durable. The compact design means you carry much less weight but still have the right size every time. Perfect for home repairs, workshop projects, automotive work, plumbing, and everyday DIY tasks. It saves time and reduces clutter in your toolbox. Number 5, LLNDEI 23-piece Magnetic Nut Driver Set. This 23-piece magnetic nut driver set is extremely useful for anyone who works in tight or deep spaces. Every driver is full size and 6 inches long, giving you excellent reach where standard bits cannot go. Each nut driver has a powerful built-in magnet that holds nuts and bolts firmly so they do not fall off while you are working. This makes fastening and removing hardware much faster and less frustrating. The set includes a wide range of sizes, metric from 6 to 15 millimeters, and SAE from 1/4 inch to 9/16 inch. You also get useful power bits like Phillips, slotted, and Torx. Made from strong chrome vanadium steel with corrosion protection, these drivers are durable and built for daily use. The color coding and clear size markings help you quickly grab the right one every time. Perfect for automotive repairs, appliance work, furniture assembly, electrical jobs, and general household maintenance. Number 6. Mazalox corner clamps for woodworking. This Mazalox 8-piece corner clamp set is a fantastic helper for every woodworker. You get 4 larger 5.5-inch clamps and 4 smaller 3.14-inch clamps, plus all the necessary accessories stored in a nice case. Made from strong aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, these clamps give you precise 90-degree angles every time. The CNC machine design ensures accuracy, and the chamfered edges protect your wood from scratches or marks. They provide strong, non-slip clamping force that holds your pieces firmly in place while you drill or glue. Super easy to use. Just position, tighten the nut, and you're done in seconds. Perfect for building cabinets, picture frames, drawers, boxes, furniture corners, and many other woodworking projects. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these clamps will help you get clean, accurate right-angle joints quickly and easily. Number 5. LNDEI 23-piece magnetic nut driver set. This 23-piece magnetic nut driver set is extremely useful for anyone who works in tight or deep spaces. Every driver is full size and 6 inches long, giving you excellent reach where standard bits cannot go. Each nut driver has a powerful built-in magnet that holds nuts and bolts firmly so they do not fall off while you are working. This makes fastening and removing hardware much faster and less frustrating. The set includes a wide range of sizes, metric from 6 to 15 millimeters, and SAE from 1/4 inch to 9/16 inch. You also get useful power bits like Phillips, slotted, and Torx. Made from strong chrome vanadium steel with corrosion protection, these drivers are durable and built for daily use. The color coding and clear size markings help you quickly grab the right one every time. Perfect for automotive repairs, appliance work, furniture assembly, electrical jobs, and general household maintenance. Number 8. Imbot Drawer Slide Jig. This Imbot Drawer Slide Jig makes installing cabinet drawers incredibly fast and accurate. It features laser-engraved double-scale markings that give you precise measurements without any extra measuring tools or guesswork. You simply align the jig, mark your drill points, and install the slides perfectly every time. It works with almost all standard drawer slides, making it very versatile. The jig is made from durable plastic and stainless steel, so it is lightweight yet strong enough for daily use. It can cut your installation time by up to 50% while giving you professional, repeatable results. Perfect for building new cabinets, repairing drawers, making furniture like nightstands, desks, and many other woodworking projects. Whether you are a beginner doing DIY or a professional carpenter, this tool will save you time and frustration while helping you achieve clean, accurate results. Number 9. WorkPro Magnetic Screwdriver and Wrench Organizer. This WorkPro magnetic screwdriver and wrench organizer is a fantastic way to clean up your workspace. It features a strong aluminum rail with powerful magnets that hold your tools securely in place so they do not fall off. You get 36 slots with flexible high-tension clips that can hold a wide variety of screwdrivers and wrenches. The clips are easy to use. Just slide your tools in and out smoothly. The heavy-duty aluminum rail is sturdy, corrosion-resistant, and has a nice red anodized finish. It keeps all your tools visible and easy to grab, which saves you a lot of time and reduces clutter. Perfect for garages, workshops, pegboards, or tool walls at home. Whether you are a professional or a weekend DIYer, this organizer makes your workspace much neater, more efficient, and professional looking. Number 10. 14-piece screw extractor and left-hand drill bits set. This 14-piece screw extractor and left-hand drill bits set is a lifesaver when things go wrong. It helps you quickly remove stripped screws, broken bolts, and damaged fasteners that normal tools cannot handle. The set includes 5 left-hand drill bits and 5 alloy steel extractors in multiple sizes, plus a sturdy storage case. The left-hand drills often spin the damaged screw out while drilling, and the spiral extractors give you strong gripping power to pull them out. Made from high-quality cobalt-fortified high-speed steel, these tools are tough, wear-resistant, and built to last. The special 135-degree angle design makes cutting easier with less effort. Perfect for automotive repairs, furniture restoration, machinery maintenance, construction work, and everyday home DIY projects. Every toolbox should have this set for those frustrating moments when screws or bolts break or strip.